Yeah, I would say, my first impression was this is a great, very well organized event, right? There were 75 unique clients, so that's a great opportunity to meet multiple clients. Not just clients, the other consulting partners, we came to know what they are offering. So overall, I would say it's an excellent opportunity for any company to come in, participate, and be part of this event. Yeah, the speed networking was a great idea where you move around in circles, exchange cards, and then also the networking during these break sessions. I think it's a good opportunity for for us to meet or maximize the potential to meet different clients. Yes, it was a it was a very good initiative, I would say. Yes, again, this is our first event. I would say this is the first time we are coming to a similar event in India. So really look forward to participating in this event in future as well, because like I said, it's a wonderful opportunity to meet different clients and other consulting partners and see what everybody has to offer. 10 out of 10. Right, it was very well organized and it was good.